Very good morning, children. How are you doing? I hope you all are doing well. I'm again here to discuss about the topic pronouns. As you all know that in this chapter our topic is pronouns only. So different kinds of pronouns we will discuss. I hope you all have understood about the pronouns. What is a pronoun? Word that is used in place of a noun. Okay. And after that, beta, today we will do the first kind of pronoun, and that is a personal pronoun. Okay, that is a personal pronoun. So what are personal pronouns? We use personal pronouns when we talk about specific things, when we talk about a person, place, animal or a thing. Okay, for example, you can see here beta, he, she, it, you, they, them. Okay, so these all are personal pronouns. Okay, so now after doing these personal pronouns, you can see first of all beta, I am going to tell you about that there are two types. Means we are using these pronouns, personal pronouns, in a sentence. Means two types of words are there. See now these pronouns. For example, if I is there, as a subject we will use this pronoun I. Okay, but as an object we will not write there I. What we will use there? Me. Okay, means so you have to learn that you should learn that which are subject pronouns and which are object pronouns. Now question is there, what is object? So my dear children, here I am going to tell you that subject is when somebody is doing something, when somebody is doing an action, means that a person who is the doer of the action, that is called subject. For example, she is cooking food, he is doing my work. Okay, it is looking at me. So it means you are using he, she, it as a subject pronouns. Okay, so what you said that he is looking at me. He is, what is this he beta? He is subject pronoun, and me, what is this me? Object pronoun. So what is object beta? Object means who is receiving the action. Okay, means when the action passes to a noun or pronoun, that is called object. Okay, so means he is looking at me. So here me is object pronoun. Okay, so like this we will use them. You will be you only. You are my best friend. You gave me this book. Okay, so I will give this book to you. It means we are not changing you. So you will be you only in subject also and in object also. So she will become her. See, she is my best friend. I will call her. It means I will call her. It means then her, she is used as an object. So I will write there her, and in the beginning of a sentence if I am using as a subject, so I will use there she. It is it only. Okay, it will be and we will become us. We are going now. Okay, we are going now. We as a subject, so don't call us. Don't call us. So in object pronoun we will become us. So here they, it will become them, and he, if he is there, then he will be changed into him in object pronouns. So like this we are changing the pronouns from subject pronouns to object pronouns, and we should know that what we have to use. Okay, don't say that he gave this book to I. He gave this book to me, or give this job to she. No, give this job to her. Okay, so these are subject and object pronouns, and students, these are very important, because if we know how we have to use, then only we can write any paragraph, we can speak over any topic. So they will make all the things easy for us. So please try to learn these subject and object pronouns. Okay. So after this, beta, again about personal pronouns I am talking. There are three persons. Okay. There are three persons. First person, second person and third person. So first person is the person who is talking. First person is the person who is talking, means speaker, who is saying something. For example, I and we. These are the examples of first person pronouns. These are the examples of first person pronouns. Now second one, that is second person is, there is only one who is listening to us, with whom you are talking. Means second person is the person who is a listener, and that is you. That is you. Okay. After the second person, if we talk about the third person, the third person is the person about whom we are talking. Third person means a person about whom we are talking. About whom we are talking. For example, he, she, it and they. These are the pronouns of third person. Okay. So what we did today, beta? Personal pronouns are of three types. First person, second person and third person. First person is the person who is talking, who is the speaker. For example, I and we. Second person is the person to whom we are talking or who is listening to us. Second person is the listener, and third person means about whom we are talking. For example, he, she, it and they. So I hope you understood each and everything, and still if you are having any queries, you can ask me anytime. Most welcome, my dear students. So that's all for today. Thank you children. Bye bye. Be safe and be happy.